If you are boring of your Instagram account, then today's video will help you. So in this video I will show you how to deactivate your Instagram account, temporary or permanent. So first of all, just open your Instagram account and then just go to the profile and then click to the three dot menu in the top right side, and then you can see an option that account center. So in the first option, just click to the account center option, and then you can see lots of options. Just click to the scroll down and click to the personal details option, and then you can see three options. So just click to the third option, which is account ownership and control. So click on that. After that, just click to the deactivation and deletion option. After that, just choose your Instagram profile, and then you can see deactivate account option. So just click to the continue option and then just put your Instagram password and then click to the OK option. After that, your Instagram account will be deactivate for. So then if you want to reactivate your Instagram account, just put your password and then just login. So that's the process I can deactivate your Instagram account 2024. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe how to apps. Thank you.